Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to connect Pixelverse to Bybit. First, open up your Pixelverse account, tap here and tap on Connect New Wallet. Select Bybit. If you have a Bybit account, then tap on Yes, I have it. And if you don't have a Bybit account, then select the option Create an account. I do already have a Bybit account, so I'm going to select the first option. You have to paste here the USDT wallet address on the ERC20 network from Bybit. So now open up your Bybit account. Make sure you keep Pixelverse running in the background. Once you open up your Bybit account, tap here on Assets, tap on Deposit, then tap on Deposit Crypto. On the search bar, search USDT and tap on it. Make sure you select ERC20 as the network. Tap here on Copy Address to copy the wallet address. And again open up your Pixelverse and paste the copied wallet address here. Then tap on Made It. And now you have successfully connected Pixelverse to your Bybit account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.